guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Rudy Galetti will be one of the transfer gurus out there. The Okamasa are going to give us information from the Galatasaray. So Baba can let us know say Orkun Koku don't dey for Arsenal transfer list now, which means Arsenal don't add the guy there, and the guy now one of the fantastic midfielders in world football today. So Baba dey feel say Arsenal add him for their list, so Arsenal dey interested in signing him. And this kind of player, we don't expect him to be very, very expensive. It's one of the prized assets of that Galatasaray. So we could just keep a keen eye and see how this one will go. And for those who don't even know Rudy Galetti, this guy now one of the transfer gurus out there. He gets now name maybe say if he talk something Shola, that's it now confirm that the way he be. So the way I think they look, people like Fabrizio Romano and so myself, I think they look and the guy they legit. So we'll just watch how it will go at the end of the day, because we all know Arsenal need another creative outlet. Yeah, so we'll just watch her. Now away from that, so we're going to look at West Ham. So West Ham yesterday they defeat Fiorentina 2-1. So West Ham don't win the UEFA Europa Conference League. This is like their last time they win something like 58 years ago, and they're going to talking like David Moyes' first trophy. Now it's like now it makes sense. Declan Rice that the captain will even lift the team carry up. They had a nice time, even though not against the run of play, because when you watch that match, you're going to see Fiorentina controlled the game, and there was a battle when they watched yesterday at Del Tarabat, Amrabat, I would say the name. That's not Amrabat. Because they play against Declan Rice, two of them face themselves for the middle of the park, and that Amrabat now win the battle. Short, you can't make Declan Rice on the trend for social media. People call the talk say Declan Rice is overhyped by the British media. Declan Rice is over exaggerated. See, this guy don't even win the battle of the midfield between Amrabat. Yeah, if you watch that match, West Ham were just defending. Fiorentina was on the attacking end. By the end of the day, no as football they be now. Fiorentina scored, West Ham score, Fiorentina equalized. West Ham counter down like 90 minutes there. So there's nothing Fiorentina could do now. So them take win and get so. And this one come from the backdrop of the fact say Arsenal they complain say if there is a bidding war, they will wash their hands come up for this West Ham matter, because them know say as this competition don't finish and they will offer a very, very strong offer against for West Ham, an offer they cannot refuse. But now if you say the likes of Man City, because Pep don't call Declan Rice to let them know say he would like to sign up to make him a cover for Rodri, and so I would say Bayern Munich did there, Manchester United say they keep them in the loop. So everybody's interested in this boy, and when everybody comes out to throw their offers, look at Bayern now. They plan to bring in a package of more than 20 million. Arsenal is planning a package of 92-95 million pounds. So that's where they will feel raised with add-ons to 100 million. So if 100 million cannot get this kind of player, let me say Man City just come now put 150 million. What are we going to do? So that's why Arsenal say bidding war we don't want, and ultimately it will boil down to where the player wants to go. Because player power save the gets. Man City can bring 150 million, Chelsea can bring 200 million, Man U can bring 1 million. But last, Arsenal I go talk say, then at the Declan go talk say, no, I don't hear everything when I talk, but now Arsenal won't go. Then Nine will decide, but who just watch everything go, because many people don't talk plenty things for social media about this Declan Rice. I don't know what people now own opinion. She will enter the bidding war, and almost just there our day. Alright, so Nicolas Pepe don't return to Arsenal after an OG Nice spell. For those who know they are aware, Pepe go on loan to OG Nice, season don't end, so he has come back to Arsenal. So what is the way forward? Some people they talk say maybe Arsenal will give him a second chance, making for play for us for one more season. Look, we'll see what it goes up. Now so they play plenty competitions and we need more bodies on the bench. But for me, look at sell out now, you see everything else scatter. Sell out even at 15-20 million. Sell out. And sometimes in business you take a loss. They happen like that. Sell out. Now we're seeing that they do the rebuilding, buy the player. Because last less than one season the guy gets. At the end of next season, the guy goes to go. You can't go to find a replacement. And no be better to be say if they enter, they give me one kind of excitement. No. So now so it just be so. But then sell out, look for a better replacement. Let us see how things will progress. Alright, so Turkish newspaper where they call Takvim don't come and let us know say Arsenal the whole talks with Galatasaray for Sachabui. Now that Turkish newspaper let us know this one. And this Sachabui, say Arsenal they interested in signing the player. Even Fabrizio Romano said don't talk him in the past. Arsenal hold an interest. Arsenal offer them I think 70 million euros. I think it no work. So now Arsenal is preparing to offer them another one. The money they say they don't want. I think they are looking for 21 million pounds. So Arsenal look to offer, maybe they will offer like, or maybe they'll give them a bigger bid. I don't know, but after their meeting, whatever they say, I'll come let you know. As long as it's favorable to us, because we all know we need players on the ranks. Especially now when they hear say Tomiyasu will miss like 2 months of next season. You get 2023-2024 season. It's going to miss 2 months of that season, so it is a no-brainer for us not to sign a cover. You cannot leave only Ben White there, even though Cedric Suarez the return from a loan stint. Well, that one at -1. We look for how we take that and find square root. So look for a replacement early. Get make it sign up, but we get him. You know me. The Tomiyasu no be the right back in the play. He can still play CB. Yes, Ben White no be the right back in the play. Can still play centre back. So these are the versatility we are talking about. So make them make sure say they get this Sachabui or they go get Van Fresneda. Anyhow it won't be. Then I sign right back. Alright, the player of the season for Arsenal, now they announce them small. So Martinelli now come third after the guy scored like 15 goals for the league. I think he had overall 21 goal involvement there. So the guy tried all the best. So now votes the votes for Arsenal. So then give the guy third. So we never know who will be second and first. I just see him for Arsenal website. So as I make a let you know in case you know they aware. So it is what it is. Alright, if I use the opportunity, celebrate some kind of people who support me of recent. So Oga Uba Amobi. So senior man just told me, say, CHUKS, send me your ads, I'm going to support you. We know how things they go on. So Oba send me 20k. Get, I don't see that I the right exam. Where you know easy because that place like Ikoyi, I don't see me in a mainland at this day now. So I just walk out with Ikoyi and that's logic. But now 10 days exam. Now I get, so I don't do my first 3 papers. So lodging there, 15k per night, 12k per night. I'm gonna be beans now. So Baba send me the 20k and that 20k. I'm all offer. So senior man, anyway they send money, we just see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name. And it shall last. So nobody get out. I know the name Baba send me money. So at the same time, Oga Ramsey Santos also send me 10k. Get so all this bad. They go long way because now if you say okay, look for example now. Yesterday I just go buy 10 liter. My 10 liter, so all those 10 liter will be like 11 liter because don't tell why they lose them. We don't expand. I spend 6k buying that fuel. They see this light we see. That generator the works so no lights. So these are where all this money is from. This money they go, they help gone. So Baba anyway they see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name. And inshallah, so everybody they show me love, generosity, may God bless all of you in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. Alright, so away from that, so Kevin Campbell don't come and second talk say Arsenal should try to sign Xavi Simons of PSV. Me personally, I'm a big admirer and an advocate for Arsenal to get that player. If you remember when we played PSV for the Europa League, this guy ran our midfield rugged. Guy dominated everywhere. They played very, very well again. So they won't kill us that day. So at the end of the day, we still qualify Abi. But look at how things are going now. Whether Arsenal will really go for him, I mean, they don't go for him. I don't know. I will check the guy goal involvement. In goal contribution reached like that, almost 30 something. He scored goal for fun. Although we know the Eredivisie and EPL are not the same kettle of fish, but at least we get a energized. This guy is the kind of thing we wanted Matthew Gondouzi to be. Yes. Without his agbára with it for his head, so that is the problem. So at the end of the day, we'll see whether Arsenal will go for him. I mean, they don't go for him. The agents don't carry the guy they give Arsenal, they offer Arsenal on the platter of gold. Say, I bet when I see this guy, when I would like him, make gonna sign up. So if there's any official interest in the coming days or from any reputable transfer group, I will let you know. Alright, so Galatasaray themselves don't hold meeting again for Nuno Tavares. So they won't sign the guys. So they hold meeting with agents. So then they interested and a Taf Kim will be that Turkish newspaper. Now they let us know this one also. And when you look at things, Arsenal tried to recoup some funds from Nuno Tavares because the guy not really did part of Arteta plans moving forward because the level they go now, get some kind average or less than average players. So we say wanted them and that bad, I guess. They don't overstay their welcome. So Tavares is one of the names on that list of departures. They look say, okay, now so we even they interested in Sachabui, so we could do a good deal with the Galatasaray on Tavares, that we can't get Sachabui. So we just watch how all these things will merge together, whether it will be favorable for either side. So we'll just watch. And another thing we're going to hear now be say Austin Trusty is about to leave Arsenal permanently. I think we got this guy from Colorado Rapids, gets in the USA. We're going to send him out on loan to Birmingham. He actually was Birmingham's player of the season and win the award. Now, from what's in at the scene now, Arsenal look at the guy that surplus to requirements, even then send them making fine square root. Even said another person who have to say Arsenal be one sign Evan Ndika, but now they say in the on the way to Roma as a free agent. So well, everything that's so you just be sharp, not just watch how the news don't unfold. Our Sky Sports also want to let us know say Arsenal don't open verbal talks to sign Cancelo officially. But the problem now is say Cancelo's preference is Spain. That he wants to go and play for Spain, and there are two Spanish heavyweights who are interested in him. People like Barca and people like Real Madrid. Real Madrid now, then they like rejig their squad. Benzema don't come out and Benzema don't go Al Ittihad. So they're looking for a new striker. They just signed the Bellingham not too long ago for 100 million from Dortmund. That one, here we go. From this, don't confirm her. So they are looking to get a new right back, or a new left back. I don't know how they want to do it. So if at the end of the day we don't sign Cancelo, they'll not be say because we don't try. That because the player's preference. That is what I'm telling you guys about player power. The player can actually decide where he wants to go. He gets, despite saying he's contracted to another club, the club cannot boss him around and say we don't want you to go and strengthen our enemy. We want you to go here. That one know the happen. Now only player we want me that will happen. Now it happen for. So we just watch how everything will unfold. So don't see how Cancelo things they go now. Another one we're here to say Roma is highly interested in signing for Larry Balogun after what happened to Abraham. Plus that guy will be out for a very long time, so they don't join the race to sign him. Now what means about the like? Not be only us will join bidding war with other players. When I said do bidding war for one player, so people don't enter this Balogun race or more don't yakpa. So last when they bring back more they hear how much you want because Arsenal they put like 35 million pounds for the guy hitting and if they sell him. Although they say even if they offer Arsenal 26 million, say Arsenal will accept. So we'll just watch how everything will end at the end of the day. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So Sachi signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.